Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you what to do if you forgot the password of your YouTube account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our YouTube app first. And before you directly tend to recover your password which you had forgotten from your YouTube account, you need to know a thing, that is basically a Gmail account will authenticate with YouTube, and that means you are basically using your Gmail account to watch videos on YouTube. So if you forgot your YouTube account's password and you want to recover it, basically it's the same thing, you are recovering your Gmail account's password. Now to do that, you can see the person icon in the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that let's sign in. And so basically you can recover your password of your Gmail or a Google account directly from YouTube. So let's go. So type in the email ID or the username of the account which you forgot your password. For me it should be this, and next. And after that you can see the forgot password option over here. Tap on the forgot password option, and let's try another way. So basically you must have linked a recovery phone or a recovery email onto your account while you created it. If you haven't, that will be a little problematic, but if you have done it, it will be very easy. So I have assigned my recover ID, so let's go. And I have received the code, so onto my, you can see an email with the verification code was sent to the net.gmail.com, which is my recovery account. So if I forgot my password from this account, I would be able to recover it. So I have already received the code and I have inputted it. Let's tap on next, and so that you can see you can basically change your password from over here. So let's go and change our password. And let's save the password, and let's hit I agree. And there guys, you can see now we have successfully used our account which we had forgotten the password of now. And there guys, retrieving your password of your YouTube account is this easy. And if you have any confusions or question regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.